workshop, crushing and screening workshop. Three-phase one closed-circuit technological process is used for crushing and screening workshop. The ores flow to jaw crusher for coarse crushing by heavy-duty plate feeder with 500 mm feed sides. Through cyclical movement of mobile jaw that swings around fixed jaw, materials between two jaws are extruded, which causes crushing effect. The coarse crushing products are transported to double-layer circular vibrating screen for screening by number 1 belt conveyor. Mounted on the side plate of the screen box and driven by the motor through a V-belt, the vibrator rotates, generates centrifugal force, and drives the vibration of the screen box, which is the vibrating object with a motion likely circular movement trial. The materials on screen are transported to cone crusher for intermediate crushing by number 2 belt conveyor, and that of sub-layer are also transported to cone crusher for fine crushing by number 3 belt conveyor. The intermediate and fine crushing product return circular vibrating screen for screening. The acceptable products of sub-layer under screen with -12 mm particle size are transported to fine ore bin by number 4 belt conveyor.